guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am super excited to unbox my winter FabFitFun box. Now this box does have a couple of add-ons. These items are add-ons that I put into my cart that shipped with my box. And then this is a freebie. Every once in a while they toss one of these in. It says V8 Hydrate Orange Grapefruit Naturally Flavored Water. I'm excited to try it. And then I added in the Summer Rose candle. I don't know if I can... I'm going to show it to you real quick. It smells so good. So good. Yeah. There you go. Summer Rose. It says Dream by the Stars. And then I added on this guy. Let me show you what's in here. Well, goodness gracious. Voila. It says a place to hang everything. I specifically got it for my earrings, jewelry, maybe necklaces. I don't know. Earrings are my biggest problem right now. So this guy, we'll put him over here. All right. Now to see what's actually in my box. Their boxes are always designed so cute like this. I've kind of seen some clues online. I tried not to look because I like to be surprised as to what's inside. So this is the inside. The top says, in support of Kindness Factory. We'll break into that a little bit more in a bit. On top, you always have your magazine that talks about what the theme is, what's inside the box, and then it tells you how to share. So exclusive from Brooke Burke in this one. Gosh, this box smells really good, y'all. And then, yeah, I'm not going to flip through this too much. I don't want to ruin anything. But they do talk about their readers quite a bit. So if you like to interact and hang out, hashtag things, follow the instructions, and you can end up inside their magazines. Okay, on top is a $10 off. Oh, just FabFitFun box. That took me way too long. And a $60 gift card to try HelloFresh. So they always have little offers in there. Now for the good stuff. Can y'all see? Okay. So first of all is the Anthropology Beauty Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. Is it a scrub or is it a lotion? It's a lotion. Oh, I can't really smell it. It's sealed. I really want to tell you what it smells like. Oh my gosh, it smells like the beach. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Okay, I'm going to save this for summer because it'd be just such a total waste to use it for winter. That smells so good. Okay, what is this? An eye mask by Black. Is that how you pronounce it? But it looks like there's a few different eye masks in here. I'll try this later. Thrive Cosmetics highlighting stick with ring light technology. Well then, I think I've actually seen them boosting a lot on Instagram recently. I'm gonna be honest, the before and after on Instagram, I see absolutely zero difference in their video, but I'm willing to try it. Goodness knows I'm a mom who could use a little lift most mornings. I actually feel like I'm doing pretty good today. Okay, what is this guy? Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care, a treatment mask for dry and damaged hair. I'll have to look. Y'all know how I am with my curly girl method. I'm not using anything with parabens and harsh alcohols, etc. So I'll look. It says it's made with pure Moroccan argan oil. Sulfate free. It's a good start. Bite Beauty Amuse Lipstick in meringue. Could have used this for a Christmas party a couple days ago. Oh Oh, that's not too bad. I thought it was going to be bright, bright red. That's actually a really pretty mauve. Yep, meringue. Very cute. We'll check that guy out. As you're noticing, this box has a ton of stuff. If you're brand new to FabFitFun, this is a quarterly box and definitely one every girl should try. Okay, this is a pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. Oh, well, you can look at the back there. It shows. Let me see if I can bust into it. Get my handy dandy scissors. Actually, majority of the makeup I'm wearing right now on my face, like my highlighter, my bronzer, my blush, is all from 2 times ago FabFitFun box, I think. There we go. Oh, those are beautiful. Those are great colors. There's a mix of shimmer and non-shimmer. Yeah, those are really, really pretty. Ahava Hydration Cream Mask and Hydrate. Let's see what it smells like. Oh. Everything's sealed. I mean, everything should be sealed, but it's like I forget it. Okay. Well, didn't have a scent. Really, it's super creamy. It feels good. I'm gonna have a little girls' night. Got my mask. I've got my eye treatment. Okay, what's this guy? Oh, this is cute. Great color. Halston makes it. Oh! Okay, so if you're part of the VIP group, which I believe you just joined VIP by prepaying it a year in advance. Like, you know you want 4 boxes, you prepay for them in advance, you get a discount, and you get the right to kind of go on and vote for what you want to see in your box. I did mine such a long time ago, I couldn't exactly remember what I voted for, but I do remember this. This is for traveling. I will use it for a mix of jewelry, mostly, but honestly, I saw some girls really purposing this for makeup brushes also. But you can just hang your necklaces and your jewelry in here, your bracelet, your rings, everything snaps and unsnaps, and then you just close it and you've got your full jewelry portfolio instead of cramming it all into a bag. Then you pull it all out, it's a huge tangled mess. So I'm really excited I got this guy. I was really hoping to get him. Okay, and then what is this? Mark and Graham personalized gifts. Is it a scarf? Blanket? I don't know. How do I get in here? Okay, it's a blanket. It's soft. It's not like uber soft, but it's soft. You could actually probably wear it as a scarf also. Whenever I go out with the kids and I know I'm ultimately going to end up having to have a spot for us to sit on, I'll wrap this around as a scarf and then pull it out and it becomes a blanket. Very, very cute. It's big too, obviously. I haven't even opened the whole thing. Okay, is that it? Is this just filler? Yes, this is filler. Okay, so inside we got the blanket, the jewelry holder, the makeup. That's 3 items. Eyes is 4, lotion is 5, mask is 6, lipstick is 7, hair treatment is 8, brightener is 9. Is that it that came in the box? Yes, that is all 9 items. And then I added on this guy for my jewelry, and I added on this candle, and this was my freebie. So there you have it. I have some coupon codes. I'm going to link up those in the text below on YouTube or on my blog. If you want to see any of this stuff in detail, go to my blog. That's where I put photos and break out price point, names, and brands. I'll try to put some points on the YouTube comments below if you want to jump straight to those. But all the nitty gritty and details are always on my blog. I'll loop back after I use some of this stuff and let you know as well what I thought about it all. All right, anything in the magazine I need to shout out to you guys? Nope, looks pretty straightforward. Talks about the products that are inside, the lady bosses that were included. It's got some tips and tricks on how to use your jewelry case. check out the magazine. It really, really does help. FabFitFun, as always, this is such an awesome box. Thanks you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, you know how to find me. We'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.